Is your Windows backup and restore getting stuck at a certain percentage? Then you are at the right place, as here is how to fix it. Let's get started. This is the Windows Club. Windows Backup and Restore is a built-in tool in Windows computers that allow users to back up their hard drive partitions as disk image files. This time, this tool takes to create a backup image of selected hard drive partition depends on the amount of data in that partition. However, some users reported that Windows Backup and Restore gets stuck at a certain percentage. Sometimes it gets stuck at 97%, 12%, etc. If you encounter such a problem, this video will help you. Let's get started. Method 1. Repair your system image files. The problem might be occurring due to the corrupt system image files. Use the built-in tools, System File Checker and DISM to scan and repair the corrupted system image files. Here is how to do so. Open Command Prompt as an administrator. To do that, search for CMD, then right-click on Command Prompt and choose the Run as Administrator option. Type this in the elevated Command Prompt window. Windows will scan and repair corrupted system files. Once completed, restart your PC and check if the hard drive is recognized. After the SFC scan is complete, run the DISM scan. This fixes deeper Windows component corruption that diagnostics depend on. Open Command Prompt as an administrator. Run these commands one at a time. Wait for each command to complete, and once done, restart your PC. Method 2. Run the chkdsk scan. There might be some bad sectors or logical errors on your hard drive causing the backup process to get stuck at a certain percentage. Scan both the hard drive partitions using the chkdsk utility. For this, open Command Prompt as an administrator, then run these commands. Replace the letter X in the above command with your drive letter. Method 3. Disable your antivirus and firewall. Your antivirus or firewall might be conflicting with the Windows Backup and Restore tool, causing the backup process to freeze at a certain percentage. We suggest you temporarily disable your antivirus and firewall, then run Windows Backup and Restore. If this works, you can enable your antivirus and firewall after the backup process is completed. Method 4. Try in the clean boot state. A third-party background application or service might be causing this problem. To check this, disable all the startup apps and then start your system in a clean boot state. Follow these steps. Open the Task Manager, go to the Startup Apps tab. Right-click on each startup app and select Disable. Now launch msconfig and disable all the third-party services to enter the clean boot state. Be careful while disabling the third-party services. If you disable all the services by mistake, your system will become unstable and you will not be able to use it. In such a case, you may have to reinstall Windows. Once you are in clean boot, run Windows Backup and Restore to create a backup image of the selected hard drive partition. If the tool works fine, this means a third-party service is responsible for this problem. The clean boot state is used to identify the conflicting third-party service or program. We can identify it by following the hit and trial method in the clean boot state. However, it is not possible in this case because creating a backup image takes a lot of time. Therefore, if the Windows Backup and Restore tool works fine in the clean boot state, let it complete the process. When the backup image is created, you can exit the clean boot state and boot into normal mode. Since the tool worked fine in clean boot but got stuck in normal mode, run it in clean boot the next time you want to create a backup image. Method 5. Exclude unnecessary folders. You can also try excluding unnecessary folders while creating a backup image using Windows Backup. Use these instructions. Open Control Panel, then head to Backup and Restore page. Now, click Change Settings under the Backup section. The Setup Backup dialog box will appear on your screen. Click Next. On the What do you want to backup screen, select Let me choose and click Next. Expand data files, then expand your username. Now, expand libraries, then additional locations. Uncheck the App Data folder, Contacts and Searches checkboxes. These checkboxes are already selected in the C drive branch. After performing the above steps, expand Computer, then Local Disk C. Select all the checkboxes. Now here you can deselect the checkboxes for the folders of programs you have uninstalled from your system. This will let Windows keep unnecessary files when creating the backup image, reducing the time. Method 6. Use another program. If the problem persists, you can use a third-party program to create a backup image of your hard drive partitions. Rescuezilla is a completely free backup and restore tool for Windows that allows users to create backup images of their hard drive partitions. So that's it. Subscribe to the Windows Club for all your tech solutions related to Windows. Thanks for watching.